What if I told you that every second, inside your body, tiny battles are happening that could decide how long you live, how fast you age, or even whether you get sick? Sounds like something from a sci-fi movie, right? But it's 100% real, and the heroes in this story? They're called antioxidants. Let's zoom way in, microscopic level. Inside your cells, you've got these things called mitochondria. Think of them like tiny power plants. They take the food you eat and the oxygen you breathe, and they turn it into energy, literally keeping you alive every moment. But just like a real power plant, these cellular energy factories produce waste. That waste comes in the form of unstable, aggressive molecules called free radicals. Now, free radicals aren't just your average bad guys. They're like angry toddlers with scissors. Hyper, unpredictable, and capable of cutting up important things. They go around damaging DNA, attacking cell membranes, and messing with proteins. When they get out of control, we call that oxidative stress. That's the stuff that makes your cells age faster, your skin wrinkle, and your organs tire out. So where do antioxidants come in? These are your body's internal firefighters, your cleanup crew, your bodyguards. Antioxidants track down those wild free radicals and neutralize them, basically saying, "Hey, calm down, you're done here." They stop the damage before it spreads. That's how they help your cells stay young and healthy. Think of it like this. Imagine your body is a beautiful city. The mitochondria are powering the lights and machines, but they also create pollution, those free radicals. If no one cleans that up, the pollution builds. Buildings crumble, people get sick. Antioxidants? They're the environmental team, scrubbing away the grime and keeping everything running smoothly. But here's where it gets tricky. Your body doesn't produce enough antioxidants on its own to fight off all the free radicals, especially when you're exposed to more stress, junk food, pollution, UV rays, and even lack of sleep. That's why what you eat and how you live matters. Fruits, vegetables, nuts, and even some spices are full of natural antioxidants, like vitamin C, vitamin E, beta-carotene, selenium, and a whole group called polyphenols. Let's talk vitamin C for a second. It's like a molecular bodyguard. Found in oranges, strawberries, and bell peppers, it patrols your bloodstream looking for free radicals and neutralizes them before they can damage your cells. Vitamin E, on the other hand, protects your cell membranes, the outer layer of your cells, keeping them intact, especially when they're under attack. And those deep-colored fruits like blueberries and blackberries, they've got anthocyanins, a special kind of antioxidant that not only protects your brain cells from aging, but also boosts memory and learning. No wonder they're often called brain berries. Here's the thing, though. It's not about popping some fancy supplement and thinking you've won the antioxidant lottery. That's like putting a single firefighter in the middle of a wildfire. Antioxidants work best when they come from a diverse diet and when they work together. It's like assembling the Avengers. Each one has their role, but together they're way more powerful. Now, let's take a real-world look at aging. Ever wonder why some people look 10 years younger than their age? Or why some 80-year-olds are running marathons while others struggle to get out of bed? A big part of that comes down to how well their cells are protected from damage, and antioxidants are key players in that story. Even diseases like cancer, heart disease, Alzheimer's, and diabetes have been linked to long-term oxidative stress. While antioxidants aren't magic potions that make you invincible, they definitely tilt the odds in your favor. They keep your DNA safer, your cells cleaner, and your systems running smoother. But here's a twist. Too many antioxidants, especially from artificial supplements, can actually backfire. Your body needs a balance. Some free radicals are actually useful. They help your immune system fight off infections and help cells send signals to each other. So it's not about wiping them all out, it's about balance. Nature already figured that out. We just have to support it with the right food, rest, movement, and sunlight. And let's not forget stress. Mental stress, like anxiety and lack of sleep, actually increases oxidative stress too. So, taking care of your mental health, getting good sleep, exercising, laughing, even breathing deeply, those things all help lower the free radical load on your body. Here's something cool. Even things like green tea, dark chocolate, and red wine, in moderation, are loaded with antioxidants. So, yes, sometimes eating your medicine can taste pretty great. So, next time you're making lunch, going for a walk, or getting ready for bed, remember, your choices are helping those tiny warriors in your body fight the good fight. They're helping your cells stay young, sharp, and strong. Because every smoothie you drink, every vegetable you add to your plate, every hour of sleep you protect, is one more step toward keeping your inner city glowing. Aging isn't something we can stop, but we can slow it down. And antioxidants? They're the secret weapon most people don't even realize they have.
Hey there, if you're enjoying this video and appreciate the effort behind it, don't forget to like this video. It really helps the channel grow, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss an update. Oh, and one more thing, share this video with your friends. Spread the love and support. Alright, now let's get back to the video. Let me know if you want any tweaks.